neutral. Alright, neutral. Forward. Don't put it here. Don't be doing
They're like my favorite people ever.
And yeah, and use your this motor.
There you go,
Pull up
boy.
a little
Keep
bit.
it reeling.
Pull up. See all that noise? Not going anywhere. Stop. Pull the rod up and reel down. Reel down as you drop it. There you go. Now pull up. Easy. It's not a strong thing. So take your time.
Walk this way, I guess, because he's coming this way. Reel though as you're doing it.
Now reel down. Keep it tight. There you go. See how I didn't make that noise? There you go. Perfect.
Oh, I
Pull up. Easy.
got a flounder.
Now this is a redfish.
He said it's a redfish.
This is a red.
Well, we don't know yet.
Our drum.
Now, if you have your line, just keep yours up if he's underneath you. Don't have to reel it in. Just stay, get up and go around him. Like go.
Wait, all right, see how he's running? So now pull a little bit. Now reel the rod down. There you go.
Jen's trying to go around.
You're good, you're good.
Yeah,
Yep. Pull
I know,
up.
that's
There you
why
go. No, no, no.
I kept mine in.
Steady
Pull
thing.
up,
Not a
reel.
hard pull. It's a yeah. Kind of cup your spool a little bit.
Yeah, you good.
I don't have any practice. Right, stop. Don't reel. Now pull up.
Jen, chill the
Easy,
fuck
easy,
out.
easy. Now reel down. Reel, reel, reel. All right, stop, stop, stop. Pull up. Reel down. It's a big fish. That's all. Wait, wait.
He's
Pull
gonna
up.
sit with it.
Wait, wait, wait. Easy, easy, easy. Now reel down. All right, stop. Okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now reel down. See, it's not making that noise.
Who's catching? Oh,
Yep,
Nobody.
just like that.
I think the
Oh.
line
Here, reel that in for me. Oh, it just came off.
I am gonna kill everybody in this boat.
What did I do?
Fucking